you're experiencing frame stuttering on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to help reduce stuttering and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Make sure your PlayStation 5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software. Choose System Software Updates and Settings to check for updates. Install any available updates to improve performance and stability. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Some games allow you to adjust graphics settings. Access the in-game settings menu and look for options like Performance Mode or Resolution Mode. Selecting Performance Mode can help reduce stuttering by prioritizing frame rate over graphics quality. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve performance issues. Turn off your PS5, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select the option to clear cache from the Safe Mode menu. This can help refresh system performance. Step 4. Free up storage space. Low storage space can affect performance. Go to Settings, then Storage, and check how much space is available. Delete any unused games or applications to free up space. Aim to keep at least 10% of your storage free for optimal performance. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If you're playing online, consider using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. This can provide a more stable and faster internet connection, reducing lag and stuttering during gameplay. Connect an Ethernet cable from your router to your PS5 for the best results. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering on your PlayStation 5. Enjoy smoother gaming and better performance.